tornado emergency for Fayetteville. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for Rockdale County in north-central Georgia, southeastern DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, northern Fayette County in north-central Georgia, south-central Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Henry County in north-central Georgia, Clayton County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Newton County in north-central Georgia, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially life-threatening tornado near Fayetteville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Fayetteville. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Lake Spivey, Porterdale, Rex, Woolsey, Lake City, Araby Mountain, Inman, Hidden Valley Park, Jonesboro, J.W. Smith Reservoir, Flippin, Riverdale, Kellytown, Morrow, Conyers, Oak Hill, Snapfinger, Fayetteville, Stockbridge, and Magnet. This is a tornado emergency for Fayetteville. Emergency management has confirmed a large and destructive tornado moving through this highly populated area. People in the warned area should not attempt to drive to another place of safety. Seek shelter immediately in your present location. If you see wind damage, large hail or significant flooding, wait until after the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday evening for northern Georgia.